Welcome. In front of me is an STK LIFE 9, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and locate the hotspot toggle, which actually looks like you can't locate it because it's turned off by default. So let's just tap on this pencil right here, and we should have a toggle somewhere in here, and sure enough, there it is. So once you find your hotspot toggle, grab it, drag it to the top, drop it, and when you go back you can now quickly access it in here. So now that you can see your toggle, you want to hold it the first time around, and sorry for the come on, the screen doesn't really function too well on this phone, so bear with me. I can't. There we go, finally. So let's try that again. Okay, there we go. Finally managed to actually access the toggle itself. And also let me turn it off like I wanted it to be. So once you access these settings, from here you want to select the Wi-Fi hotspot right on the top and start off by selecting the hotspot password, which once you tap on it you can see that by default it's some randomly generated numbers and letters. So what I recommend you to do is simply remove these ones and set your own password. Now the password does need to have 8 characters in length, there we go, at which point you will be able to save it. Okay, there we go. And we have a couple additional options like the hotspot name. It's just the LIFE 9 here version of the phone obviously, and under advanced we have turn off hotspot automatically, which I recommend you to keep it on. We have AP band, which we can actually enable both of them, though I believe if you enable both of them it will turn off your Wi-Fi. If you're planning to use that while hotspot is on, you won't be able to. By having just one, I believe it then keeps Wi-Fi enabled and also hotspot. And we have things like maximum connections, which can edit how many people at once can connect, and a couple additional things that you don't have access to. So once you went through these settings right here and customize them to your liking, you can turn it on right here. And there we go, your hotspot is now enabled. Additionally, you can also turn it on and off from your notification panel by tapping on the toggle right here, like so. Let's assume that I pressed this and the screen is literally not cooperating with me. So yeah, by tapping on the toggle you can turn it on and off from here, and that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.